Any mention? May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28.
Item number?
28, Your Lordship. I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
You're mentioning which item?
28, Your Lordship.
28. Is there any item 28?
No, 28 to 8.
It's a very long list, so that's why it's not. Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
What is this? This is a writ petition.
Yes, Your Lordship. Service matter, Your Lordship.
On the request made on behalf of the petitioner, not objected to by the Learned Council, Learned State Council. This is matter after?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
No objection.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 32, Your Lordship.
Yes.
If Your Lordship can have this matter on the 19th, Your Lordship. There's a similar matter arising out of the same judgment, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship.
On the 19th, Your Lordship.
Is a Monday.
Okay. Just on prayer made on behalf of the appellant. 19th will be all right. There will be many matters.
One matter.
Okay. On prayer made by the land for the
Lordship.
this matter on 19th. Yes.
Your Lordship, item number 34, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship can have this matter after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. For the respondents.
Yes.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Yes. You are for?
For the petitioner.
No.
For the respondent.
There is.
1 and 2.
How many respondents are there?
Just 2 respondents.
You are representing both the respondents. Yes, on prayer made by the Land Council of the respondents. This is matter after 2 weeks.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 31. Your Lordship, I pray for 3 weeks' time.
You are appearing on behalf of the petitioner?
Yes.
Yes. Who is there for the state?
No objection, Your Lordship.
Just let's pray for the petitioner. This should be 2 weeks. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33. I'm for respondent number 3. Your Lordship, the conducting counsel is not available today, so I pray for 3 weeks' time.
No objections, Your Lordship.
3 weeks. State is there also? Yes. Okay. This will be on the request made by the private respondents. Yes.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 21, Lordship.
21.
Yes, Lordship.
21, 22, 25.
21, 22,
25.
Twenty-one is the petitioner.
Yes, Lordship. I am for the
Yes.
petitioner.
These are all service matters.
Lordship, yes. Lordship, if 21 is to be adjourned, then item 22 and 25 will have to be
So
adjourned.
who will be 22? Yours is also same council, I think.
Yes, Lordship.
And then 25. So you have no problem with the adjournment. Item 21, 22,
21,
25.
22, 25, Your Lordship, yes.
Okay. Any objection, Mr. Sulai?
Lordship, I have no objection, Your Lordship.
Yes, all these matters. On prayer made on behalf of the petitioner, not objected to by the Learned Council of the respondents. List after?
2 weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks.
Apply.
March onward, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 30. Item number 30 is we represented for the chief, but now he's under suspension. So till now, from the acting chief, we have not received any instruction. Oh, that is where the case where. So let the petitioner will take a fresh step.
Fresh steps for what?
For acting chief.
No. You were.
Oh, for the for the chief.
Respondent number 3, my
Three,
lord.
no.
Is the
Yes,
chief
he
of
is-
chief of no
presently
post
under
support.
suspension.
Under suspension.
Chief is under suspension.
Yes.
So there's an acting chief now. So what is to be done?
It's for the petitioners.
So my friend is saying that he is unable to obtain instruction from the acting
No, if
chief.
he is under suspension, whether he can give instruction or not.
No.
Just a minute.
The acting chief is there. They are supposed to take instruction from the acting chief. Is they holding the same office.
Then he'll have to be implemented now. Then the acting chief will have to be implemented.
Because you see, like they may not speak in the same line. They may have different.
But in that, I can take a fresh for this. But
He is not representing the acting chief.
yes,
He is just representing the suspended chief.
exactly. It's the same office, in fact.
So
Anyway,
you think over and take steps
my
accordingly.
lord, I can take step. Lordship, give me 2-3 days. I can take a fresh steps.
You just think over. We'll have this matter after a week then. You are also there, Mr.
I'm for the council.
Okay. So now let petitioner take instruction.
Now
it
we'll
is for-
take steps. To take step with the respondent number 3.
You take instruction and you know what is to be done. Okay, just say request made on behalf of the petitioner. Request my the Lada Senior Counsel for the petitioner. This is matter after 1 week. Yes. Meanwhile, you take instruction.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1,
Yes.
Research. This matter, Lordship, notice has been issued. Come up for hearing. Can come up for hearing, Lordship, on the next day. Notice has been issued, Lordship.
Yes.
Accepted. Can come up for hearing, Lordship.
This will go for hearing, no?
My lord.
The learned counsels. What is this matter about?
My lord, here they have challenged an order, my lord, whereby witness was called, my lord. My lord, the power is already there with the court under section 311.
Yes.
To
Victim was
Summoning of.
yes, my lord, summoning of witnesses, my lord.
So this witness has not been examined till date.
She was examined, my lord. They have recalled again, my lord, this same witness.
So that
She is the survivor.
have already been examined.
Yes, once.
Then what remains in this application?
no, Lordship. The second time when the application was filed, she's not yet been re-examined.
Is it recalling?
Recalling.
Then after recalling, this evidence was not taken.
No, no, Lordship.
No, my lord. They have challenged this order, my lord, because
That
application.
is okay, but then is there any interim order?
No, Lordship. No.
See, we would not like to disturb the trial
Right.
until and unless we make out
Yes, Lordship.
a case. So mere pendency will not be construed as this.
In fact, my lord, the court has the power, my lord, under section 311. They can call at any time. My lord.
So according to you, there is nothing.
No, my lord. She can be called, my lord.
But it's a POXO matter.
Yes,
Talk matter, my lord.
Anyway, make sure trial should not get hampered.
There is no stay, my lord.
Then it should not be. Anyway, as the learned counsels appearing for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. As prayed for by the parties. List after when?
3 weeks time.
3 weeks. Oh, yeah.
Obliged.
Item number 2.
Please, Your
Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, the conducting counsel, Mr. A.G. Moman, is indisposed, Your Lordship. I humbly pray kindly this matter may be listed after 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
I have no objections, Your Lordship.
Yes. There is a miscase here in this.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We are with the miscase.
They are
for
challenging for stay of the impugn order, Your Lordship.
what? Any order passed there? No.
No,
You are the petitioner.
yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. On the request of the learned counsel. This miscase is what is the prayer in your miscase? It is for interim thing, and then these orders are. All these orders are passed in the miscase. In the miscase, no order has was passed. Something is wrong. Why? Your miscase is for condemnation of delay, not for interim.
My
You
apologies.
do not
Your Lordship.
know.
I don't have the brief in me, Your Lordship. My
You
apologies.
should. You are not the advocate on record.
I'm there, Your Lordship, but
Then?
the conducting counsel is
At least
Mr.
it
P.R.
is,
Paske.
that is your duty at least to look at the file. Anyway, this order will be in the miscase, not in the thing. Okay, on the request made on behalf of the learned counsel appearing for. It should be applicant and the opposite party appearing for the respondent. Just say it. Come on, let's just meet after 2 weeks. Yes. After 2 weeks. Yes.
Item number 3.
Lordship, this is a case for restoration of the writ petitions bid to file.
Yes, you are supposed to
Lordship,
file an
in fact, I am supposed to file an objection to the misapplication, Your Lordship. If Lordship, I am seeking for some accommodation, Your Lordship.
Lordship, just me
Plus
submit
the
only,
matter also is still pending before the division.
because the case was listed on 27/11/2024.
the petitioner could not appear. Conducting counsel is from Delhi. Again, it was listed on 10/2/2025. On the day it was dismissed. In para 5, I have very...
Same day, that day also nobody.
But the case was that because of one upgrade appeal is pending before the division bench. Because of the reason the case was adjourned on several occasions, not myself, even the government also prayed for time in this case, that unless the writ appeal number 29/2019 is disposed of, till then this matter be kept in abeyance. But unfortunately, it came.
That means this case will be dependent on the outcome of the...
Yes, outcome.
Then why to reopen it?
Yes. So, but outcome, but there is some grounds to argue. To that case, I heard that...
If you say if it is dependent on the outcome of that...
Dependence, not outcomes, because of relocations, not on the merit.
So this division bench matter also...
A relocation.
Only relocation. Suppose if division bench matter, if a party could not settle the matters, then it will be hard on merit. Then it will be separated. If there is a government agrees, the other party agrees for relocations,
Mr. Rasula, you will reopen it. What is the problem in this?
It will be hard on merit.
Yes.
Yes. What is the reason? Where is the thing explanation?
Explanation I have given in para number 6, 7, 8.
It is a good cause or a sufficient cause?
Is a good cause also because the conducting counsel from Delhi.
What the law contemplates? It's a good cause or sufficient cause?
Both.
What is
Sufficient
the
cause.
distinction between
sufficient for sufficient cause?
Yes. Heard Mr. Ramesh Qureshi, Learned Counsel, appearing for the applicant, isn't it?
Applicant.
So nothing is mentioned in your petition. Petition is silent.
Para 6, 7, 8. I have given the reasons.
And also Mr. Andy Shulai, Learned AG, appearing with so and so for the opposite parties. Paragraph, this is an application. For restoration of WPC number 142 of 2021, which was dismissed for default on (10 to 2025) for which is dismissed for default on 10 to 2025. Stop. The reasons for non-appearance of the applicant has been satisfactorily explained. That paragraph, which paragraph, Mr.
Paragraph 6, 7, 8 and 9 also.
6, 7, 8 and 9 of this application. Stop. The Learned AG also does not have any serious objection to the prayer for restoration of the matter. Stop. Accordingly, this application, this miscellaneous application stands allowed. The WPC number 142 of 2021 is restored back to file. Just say, just a minute. The before that, before you say the order dated 10/2025 is stand for 25 stands record, comma, stand record, and the writ petition number 142/2022 stands restored back to file. Stop. Then, what is the main writ petition? Main writ petition file is not here. Just in main writ petition, say in view of the order passed. In this case, it's in view of the order passed today, give today, huh? Or passed in view of the order dated so and so. Passed in this case number 41 of 2025. Stop. The writ petition stands restored back to file. When shall we have it?
After 2 weeks.
After 2 weeks.
Yes. Stop after as provided for by the parties. This is matter. Then it after 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Wait, let the files have patience. Why you're in a hurry to go? It was as if like you're, missing a movie show or something like that. Yes. Now tell us. Okay, you have not filed in opposition. Yes.
Lordship is involved a law point only. So, Lordship, I don't need to file affidavit.
Interim order may continue.
Yes. Oh, Mr. Pandey is also there. Yes. Yes. We are giving time. Interim order will be extended. Yes. Yes. MS. So, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 2. Praise for grant of further 2 weeks time for filing the affidavit in opposition. Stop. The prayer has not been opposed by the Learned Counsel appearing for the petitioner. The prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks. Stop. The interim order passed earlier shall continue until further order. There is no question of action. Okay.
Lordship.
Since you are not in a hurry, so until further order. Yes.
Apply.
Item number 6.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Paske. For the sole respondent. There is only one respondent in this case. Okay. And then, when do you want it? Okay. Mr. Paske, Learned Counsel has entered appearance on behalf of the sole respondent and prays for grant of some time to obtain necessary instruction on the matter. Prayer allowed. List after 2 weeks.
Yes.
Yes.
Item number 7.
I may it pleases your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, items 7 to 20. 20, these are border fencing, your Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Lordship, though in the last time, your Lordship, I have sought for time, your Lordship. In fact, your Lordship, we will need some more time, your Lordship, because the state has a lot of things to do, your Lordship.
But that is that matter where Dr. Mojika was.
Lordship, yes, your Lordship. In fact, your Lordship, in the earlier occasion, your Lordship, my friend Dr. Mojika has placed one letter, your Lordship. Lordship, I have a read.
Probably, yes. On that, I think you are supposed to take it.
Lordship, if Lordship kindly come to para 5 of that. Lordship, kindly have a look at para 5. Further, it stated that the requisite clarification with regard to the meeting held on so and so was received from Government of Meghalaya by letter without endorsing a copy of the final draft award. So what the Government of India wants is that the state should forward the final award, your Lordship. So it will be a huge task, your Lordship. The state will have to make a final award, and also if Lordship kindly allow us sufficient time, your Lordship. If I may pray, your Lordship, if 8 weeks time may kindly be allowed, your Lordship.
We'll have you. We'll give them 6 weeks time.
6 weeks.
Hopefully they will take steps.
That can be done.
Notification.
Okay, because if there is a hope that the petitioners may get
Lordship,
some...
this letter is very clear, your Lordship. It's very clear because the Government of India said that you have forwarded us the...
So anyway, we'll just...
In fact, what happened earlier, my Lord?
We'll give you 6 weeks time for obtaining further instruction.
Lordship, I'm highly obliged, your Lordship.
As to the submission of the final...
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Without endorsing a copy means...
That means without
endorsing or
enclosing. It should be enclosing, your Lordship.
Enclosing.
Survey was conducted, and the cost was calculated by the collector and forwarded to the Government of India. Now, Government of India has gone through the record, and that estimate was not the final award. Therefore, directed the government to come up with a final award so that they can.
That is the duty of the collector to me,
Collector,
isn't it? CC.
Collector too.
So that has not been done. So that is what.
Yes.
Hopefully it will be done, Your Lordship.
So procedurally, he has to issue a section 11 authorization and 19, and he can determine the award
Yes,
and forward.
because the collector is under legal obligation to do
Lordship,
that.
yes.
Whether union makes the payment or not, that is a different issue. But then, okay,
He has to determine as per the market value.
okay, you say then we'll just
Simply adjourn it,
okay.
Your Lordship, on my request, Your Lordship, for 6 weeks.
Your Lordship, I am appearing for respondent number 9 to 13 years.
yes,
in
Mr.
order
Paske, that will be recorded. The appearance will be recorded. Mr. Paske. Will you just
Lordship may direct the government to give us a letter submitted by learned AG.
No, this is the letter only. That is the letter only.
there is a letter. That is our
Lordship, yes. They have,
February
everybody is
2025.
having it. Everybody is having, Your Lordship. What I'm just giving to Your Lordship is just because it was handed over last
Yes,
time,
yes,
Your
yes,
Lordship.
yes, it was.
Just for
yes, yes.
for easy
Okay.
reference, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. Andy Shulai, learned AG, appearing for the state respondents. Submits that is supposed to take instruction with regard to the submission of final draft award by the state government in this matter. He submits that since the preparation of final draft is a time-consuming affair, further time may be granted. Sufficient time may be granted to him to obtain necessary instruction in this regard. Step. The prayer has not been opposed by the learned counsels appearing for the petitioner. Is a prayer allowed? As prayed for, release this matter after 6 weeks.
6 weeks, Your Lordship.
Let's see, something
Lordship,
is done
hopefully.
and the matter is.
Hopefully it will be done, Your Lordship.
At least give them something, and if they.
Because it's
are
a
not
border
satisfied,
fencing,
then-
Your Lordship. We are only doing the process. The fund will come from the government of India, Lordship.
That is okay, but then something has to be paid.
Lordship, yes.
Sufficiency and insufficiency will be decided in a different courts, isn't it? Yes. Your case is that you have not received anything.
Yes. That's true.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 23.
Well, it's here. There's a challenge. The issue is related to a Nokmaship of a sudden.
Yes.
Well, it's the primary petitioner is deceased, my lords, so his name is struck off. I just need instructions, my lords, as regards this matter. My lords kindly have it after 2 weeks. So.
Why all the Nokmaships are under dispute?
My lord, because it's a very emotional thing, my lord. They are totally attached with this, my lord. Now, what happened, my lord? After the mother relinquished office, my lord.
If
the
it is
daughter-
emotional thing, they should avoid litigation.
That is it. And these litigations, well, as I've seen, invariably is running on for almost a century.
And is it this emotion is relatable to the change of regime in district council? No.
No.
also related.
Okay. Mr. K. Paul Leonard, Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that some fresh instruction is needed in this matter in view of why fresh instruction is needed, Mr. Paul?
Well, it's the petitioner number 1, Malaj, is deceased and his name is struck off already. Malaj.
Okay. In view of striking off, in view of the striking off. No, why should we say that? Some
In view of changed circumstances, Malaj.
Yes. In view of the changed circumstances of the case. and prays for grant of some time. Mr. Dale on it. Council appearing for the district council. Appearing for the respondent district council has no objection. Prayer allowed. List after
2 weeks, my lords.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
I'll leave it.
24.
Does anything survive in this matter?
Yes.
So I'm absolutely unsure whether anything survives in this matter. This is that advertising.
That is what the view expressed by this court also, because it's quite old matter, 2017 matter.
Lordships. My lords may kindly have it next week. I'll seek instructions whether they want to at all press this matter.
See, if you do not have anything, or rather if court is, you do not get any favorable, if you even can make out a case, but then no writ can be issued. If the court will not issue any feudal rate,
Absolutely.
then in such a case, keeping it alive.
And my lords, otherwise also we've noticed this was with regard to the hoardings, my lords.
See, this court was trying to basically convince your colleagues on previous occasions. Now it is good that today you are appearing. At least this court hopes that you will pursue it a bit seriously. Otherwise, see, there is no use.
Because I have noticed, my lords, now hoardings are actually permitted.
Please take note of this case and do the needful.
Lordships.
Yes,
Next week.
Just see.
Yes.
Just on the prayer made by the Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. This is matter after 1 week.
Hello, pledge.
1 week will be sufficient for you?
1 week. Yes. We can seek instructions telephonically.
Probably there is nothing survives. This is an advertisement thing, and that all your periods or whatever those contractual words.
That is gone, my lords. And otherwise also, my lords, I've noticed that now hoardings are coming.
And plus, you will find that many of the members are differently situated. They are not covered by one agreement.
One arrangement.
So that also is another aspect.
Logic. But here the primary grievance was, my lords, the policy of the state at that given point of time in view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court. But I think, my lords, there has been some dilution of that policy also.
See, all your pleas have died natural death now. Just see, take over.
Hello, pledge.
26.
Mr. Sen is there, no? What's the status of the concessions?
Yes, what is the status of the case?
What is the status of the concessions?
Yes, Mr. Abraham.
My lords, I am informed, my lords, it has not progressed. It is just lying there with itself, my lords.
So that, your lordship, if this matter may be taken after 2 weeks so that I can give.
No, but then are you sure? Nothing has been done. Then we will ask your thing, why 5 years you are silent?
But
This is a criminal case, this is a state's duty
The
to see that matter should proceed.
The conducting council is on leg before another courtroom. So if this matter may be taken up next week.
Next week there may be many matters, Mr. Abraham.
And after week or two, your lordship.
If you do not proceed with the criminal case for 5 years, then what remains?
I'm also not sure because the leading counsel in this
that
case
means
is
enough
on leg.
suffering has been caused to the petitioner here.
The leading
He,
counsel is
he remains to be accused in a case. What is the offence involved here?
It's under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act.
And what is the punishment, maximum punishment?
My lords, I'll just point out. 27. Imprisonment, my lords, 10 years.
So it is not a things. So we'll have it when? Yes.
Next week, your lordship is on leg before another courtroom, your lordship.
Next week will be possible or?
Then after 2 weeks, your lordship.
After 2 weeks. Yes. Yes, Mr. Paul, any problem with this? It's on the parade made on behalf of the. You take instruction also, verify also with regard to the progress of the case. And you have to tell us the reason why you have not progressed.
Yes, we'll do that, yes, your lordship.
Please, become prepared.
I'll do that, yes, your lordship.
Yes, on the prayer made on behalf, on the prayer made by Mr. Abraham Leonard G. on behalf of the state respondents, this is matter after 2 weeks. Yes.
Hello, pledge, your lordship.
27.
Yes.
Lordship, this case suffers from that statutory obligations, Lordship. Under 7 Act.
This is that issue regarding the Provident Fund where an argument has been raised that there is a provision of appeal. Lords, may kindly grant me a week's time after that.
Please, because you see, probably the recent decision by Apex Court passed within last year and all those things, that was circulated among all the High Court.
My lords.
See, if there exists a
Alternative.
provision of appeal, and if it is not exhausted, and direct decision invoked, then you must give a ground, must give an acceptable ground why appeal was not preferred. And until
it has to be an exceptional reason.
do it, the High Court will not entertain. That is the thing. If that a thing, just think over. If you find that yes, you can prefer an appeal, we do just prefer an appeal, and the condemnation may be treated as
obliged.
Because this court will definitely go by the dictate. You see, there is no
Naturally.
question. Will not take any diversion.
Whether, my lords, I will be able to carve out an exception to that general rule
That
of.
is exactly. See, the Supreme Court doesn't bar. There is no, you see, like a total bar, but then it's a near total bar. That is what. Kindly. We'll have it after 2 weeks then. As this thing. Yes.
Obliged.
This is also the request made by the London petitioner.
29.
Not objected to by the London Council. Appearing for the respondents, list of 2 weeks. Yes. What is this?
Well, this is pertaining to a subsidy issue.
Okay.
It was with regard to a DGFT license, village.
Well, you have not been paid over. Or
Partly.
insufficiently paid.
But something like that, please. We can have it, Millets, after a week or so. I will also run through all that.
No objection, Lordship.
She is happy to get it adjourned. Her smile says. The moment the prayer came from you, her smile said that she is. Next week will not be possible. We'll have it after 2 weeks. Because otherwise things will overload it.
Millets.
This is also. We'll say, where is Dr. Majika?
Lordship is on legs before courtroom number 2.
Then if he's on legs, then you'll have to argue the matter. If you are not asking for adjournment, then you'll have to argue. If we reject Mr. Paul's prayer, this is also just a on request made by the London Senior Council. Oh, sorry. Yes, London Senior Council appealing for the petitioner, list of 2 weeks. Yes.
Value, please.
Over.